सब्सक्राइब कीजिए सेविसर एकेडमी को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकॉन फॉर मोर अपडेट्स.
Friends, today I would like to tell you something from my personal behalf. For the past few days, the inner state of mind says to me personally that I should share these words with you. As you're looking for the right guide in the area of investment, as you're looking for the right mentor, yes, I must get the right person. So I feel that I am the search, you're looking for something and I am there for that. Yes, I feel the thing which you are looking for, I am just for that only. Yes, I am personally declaring that I am fully, positively ready for guiding and the area whichever you want to know the fact. Yes, I am there for that. And today let me tell you that keeping all the aspects of, for the past few days, I have been making my personal studies. Why people lose money in the stock market. And definitely, that's the reason, that's the point. I always say that you should go for membership. You should take the membership for 1 year, 5 years and all those things. Because you will be under membership. Definitely, when you take the membership, what is the plus point? Yes, I will just direct you to buy the share at a particular point of time and just make the exit accordingly under my direction. And likewise, portfolio is the best for long term and that is why you should plan for that. Yeah, that's better. That's an important point as I have mentioned to you. Today, I would like to draw your attention towards 8 ways to stop losing money in stock market. Yes, so I want your height of attention today. So let's begin with this. First thing, enrich your knowledge. Yes. See, mostly people lose money. It is just because they don't have proper knowledge. They have little knowledge, limited knowledge, and that's the reason when the market becomes bearish, when it comes in the mode of bearish, they are purely and fully become panicky, and that's the reason they take the wrong decisions. And ultimately they sell the shares and they make a big loss. I personally suggest that you must read some books. And these books are in front of you right now. The first, Intelligent Investor. Security Analysis. Technical Analysis of Stock Trends. These are the books which you must read. And once you read these books, you will gain good knowledge. And when you will gain knowledge, definitely you will have full confidence. You will gain the best confidence. Yes, now I know what are the ins and outs of stock market. That's what I want to say with this point. Yes, similarly, second point, you should know future and option strategy. See, many of you may not be knowing what is future and option strategy in the market. I can say some of you. See, future and options, these are the strategy in the market, because if I say billions of dollars of money and anywhere in the world, that business operation takes place in future and option only. Thousands and thousands crores of rupees, that all the dealings takes place in future and option only, because here shares are bought and sold in big lot, that is market lot. So just for an example, just as I can say, those who are bullish in the market, the traders, they buy call option. Similarly, those who find the market will be bearish after a particular limit, particular level, so they just take, or I can say they buy put option. So put buying is as good as short selling. So whenever the share price start going down, they make good profit there. And at the same time, as an investor, we say, oh, what's going on? Company is good, doing good business. Why the prices are just crashing? Why it is going down? And this question mark just persists us to take the wrong decision. And that is what we sell the stock ultimately. That's the wrong decision. In this, you should know the fact, these are just the strategy in the market which works throughout the year and year after year. You must know such facts very well. And that's why you should know future and option strategy. And you must read about that. And once you know that, similarly, see the best of the best company, why it is going down without any news. Hindustan Unilever, Bata, all these companies and Reliance Industry, they are doing very good in business. But why it is happening so? Because of the traders' strategies. There are speculators, hedgers, arbitrators. They are all the traders in the market. That's the point to be noted. Yes. Now, how to stop? Means the 8 ways to stop losing money in the stock market. Third point says invest only 25% of your income. Yes. Whatever the income you have, maximum 25%. Yes. If you are earning 10,000, 2,500. If you are earning 20,000, 5,000 is the limit. That much only you must invest that much money only. That's the way. And in case you have surplus fund, which you feel like I should park the money very well, then 50% of your amount. That means suppose you have 2 lakhs rupees, which is a part of your surplus fund, you can plan for 1 lakh only. Don't go more than that. That is called a control, and that's your decision of taking the right way and to move in the right direction in the world of investment. Yes, likewise, you should be aware of pump and dump scheme. What is pump and dump scheme? I'll say in just simple words. See, there are some securities which artificially start booming, and they inflate the price, share price, and take to the very height of that. And once it comes to that level, suddenly they start dumping it. That means start selling badly. Under this process, many retail investors, they feel, oh, that 4 rupees share has gone to 7 rupees, 8 rupees, and they start buying the shares. And ultimately, they are the big losers, because they are not aware of that this is pump and dump scheme which is going on. There are many penny stocks. Mark my word, there are many penny stocks which they just do it this type of only, I can say the right word, trading strategies on in those companies and areas. That's why I never suggest to go for any penny stock at all. Point to be noted. Yes, the next point says don't go for averaging the stock more than 2 times. Yeah, that's right. Because mostly the investors, they think, okay, 100 rupees shares, it has come to 95 rupees. Then what do you think? Oh, investor thinks, okay, now 100 rupees share has become 95, let's buy again then. Again at 90, they think, okay, again let's buy again. So in this manner, they think they are averaging very well. Then it comes 80, 70, then ultimately they are the biggest loser and nothing else. That's why my point says you should never invest more than 2 times. That means if the price is going down, averaging should be only allowed till 2 times only. Don't go more than that. Otherwise, you are damaging your principal amount and your area of full amount also. To be noted here, that's very important. Yes, control your fear. That's most important. Again, I can say all of the points are most important, but control your fear, what does it mean? This fear point only develops when the market comes in the mode of bearish zone. It starts going down continuously, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, all the days it is down, down, down. What does it mean then? And one day you feel like now better to sell the shares. You bought at 1,000 rupees, now it has become 700, 600. No. Here, just because you should remember again, future and option strategy, if the stock is in F&O as we say, then don't fear about that. But if the stock is in B group, T group or Z group, these areas, then you should be out quite earlier only. And I never suggest, as I always say that, never buy any penny stock in any areas of the groups only. So here, never fear when your share price is going down, it is just for a while, maybe for a few days, and again it will start going up because there are the buyers waiting for that particular price when it touches the bottom one. Means when it comes in the oversold zone, and that is the best time of investment again. And that time you sell the shares and book loss only and nothing else. So mark the word, mark the point. Control your greed. Yes. See, control your greed, this word applies only when the market is in bullish trend, continuously going up. Yes, 400 point, 500 point, 600 point, continuously going up. And that time what happens? As the human nature, whatever the money we have, come on, let's invest that. Wrong. You should stop here. Don't go for investment because I have already told you, 25% of your income plus 50% of your surplus money. That's it. This is your control. This is your discipline. Don't go more than that. Then only you will make money. Otherwise, you will be in the only will be fully trapped into the area of more and more investment. Ultimately, you are not getting in hand anything. Mark this point also. And the last of all, target of best stock portfolio for long term. If you target for the long term investment, then no fear at all. And if your portfolio is of best stock, then you should feel very happy that yes, I have the best stock in my portfolio. And once you have the best stock in your portfolio, that is called the best property you have. When you have the best property, best companies in your portfolio, there is no need to fear at all. And in this manner, you will sustain your wealth and it will keep going up with the passage of time. So these are the ways to stop your losing money in the stock market. Follow my words, and as I always say, just plan for portfolio services, and if you become member, yes, then we are associated with each other, and I want to see we are more in association with each other. Thanks a lot for paying attention. See you again and again.